Automate daily backups. Secure your files automatically. Your data is valuable, and it's crucial to back it up regularly. But who wants to manually do that every day? Welcome back to Garcar AI Tech. In this final episode, we'll show you how to automate daily backups with Python, so you can secure your important files without lifting a finger. Here's what we'll cover. 1. Setting up automatic backups for your important folders. 2. Using Python's shutil and OS modules to copy files. 3. How to schedule backups to run daily, using Task Scheduler, Windows or Cron Linux. By the end of this episode, your files will be safely backed up every day without any manual effort. Let's make data backup as simple as pressing a button.